Luxury vinyl plank flooring has become a popular choice in Denver homes and businesses. It combines the beautiful look of hardwood with excellent durability and water resistance. The material stands up well to heavy foot traffic, scratches, and stains. These floors come in many styles that look like real wood or stone. The planks use advanced materials to create realistic textures and patterns. You can find options matching any home design, from traditional to modern. The water-resistant nature makes it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and other areas that see moisture. LVP and its cousin LVT, which stands for luxury vinyl tile, differ mainly in what they imitate. LVP looks like wood planks, while LVT resembles stone or ceramic tiles. Both types resist water damage and won't warp from spills. Installation happens through either click-together systems for planks or glue-down methods for tiles. The practical benefits make these floors attractive to homeowners. They need little maintenance beyond regular sweeping and mopping. The installation costs less than hardwood and goes faster too. The materials handle daily wear well, keeping their good looks for years. In-home flooring helps customers pick the right style and handles professional installation. They work with spaces of any size, from small rooms to large offices. Their experts make sure the new floor fits perfectly with existing design elements.